Alright, the property code WT3 Smoke Alarms in every room. So basically, like, they're normally in a landing, hallway and kitchen. Normally they're just in a hallway and a landing. But basically, when it goes off, there'll be a red light there, and the green light means it's getting AC power. So if it's chirping intermittently, then that means the battery's flat in it and needs changing. If it's happening in the middle of the night, you just take it down. Oh, I think I got that wrong. You put it in there. You put the screwdriver in there. Alright. I know that's the white bit. Alright, it's released, but then you just slide it off. Look careful not to shock myself. Okay, press the pause button a minute. I'm paused. Okay, so the mains are now off. Then you just slide off like that. In fact, these have a 10-year battery, so when the battery goes, you just have to replace the whole unit, hence the 10-year sticker there. And then once you've replaced it, you just put the alarm back onto the base. And also thank you alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video's helped you.